Lawyers defending Nima Momeni have requested the trial be moved out of San Francisco. Crown 4's Ella Sogmunian was in the courtroom earlier this morning. She's now live in our newsroom to explain why they want to do this. Thanks for joining us.
So his defense attorneys say that Lee is just too famous here in San Francisco for Momeni to get a fair trial if it stays here, and brought up recent pictures that were published by a local news site that they think will not help their case. Nima Momeni's mother appeared in court on Thursday to see her son. She was flanked by 3 defense attorneys who are working on his case. Momeni is accused of stabbing and killing tech CEO Bob Lee, who founded the Cash App. His lawyers requested 2 motions, including a change of venue. They believe Lee to be a celebrity in the Bay Area, which they claim could prevent a local jury from making a fair decision.
Bob Lee is a local luminary in the tech industry, and that's what San Francisco is. It's known for being Silicon Valley. So it's kind of like if a Los Angeles Laker is the victim of a homicide. You think that the defendant would be able to get a fair trial in LA? I don't think so.
They explained there were already plans in the works for the request, but they moved it up when an article by the San Francisco Standard published pre-trial photos this weekend of Momeni in his cell with a few books, like one on psychology and the other a biography on Napoleon Bonaparte. Despite Momeni's direct eye contact, they claim the photos were taken without permission. SF Standard editor-in-chief Julie McKinnon told Crown 4 a freelance photographer had permission to take photos inside the jail, and Nima Momeni gave the photographer permission to have his photo taken. We contacted Momeni's legal team prior to publication, and they did not raise objections or concerns about the publication of the images. The Standard believes the images were entirely newsworthy.
What they did was disgusting. What they did was illegal. What they did was civilly responsible, and someone is going to be held responsible. There will be a reckoning for what happened in that article.
San Francisco District Attorney's Office plans to file a written response to the motion to change venue, which will be taken up in court again on January 25th. At this time, a trial date for Momeni has been set for March 15th here in San Francisco. In the newsroom, I'm Ella Sogmunian, Crown 4 News.
Ella, thank you.